You just look at numbers independently. Numbers, there is nothing wow about the numbers. There is nothing exciting about the numbers. If at all, cracks are now opening up in terms of what the HDFC Bank positioning and what the delivery has been. I think for the first time after many quarters, you've actually seen the first year-on-year EPS decline in a decade. And there is definitely a pressure which is building up because of what is happening in the entire liability side, which is the cost of deposit, and growth seems to be getting challenged for HDFC Bank. Now, it is a stock which is unlikely to see any re-rating in the near term. It's a stock where positioning is just one-sided, which is everybody is just hoping and hoping and hoping that HDFC Bank will actually catch up because of months of underperformance. Now that's the positioning. So the stock post these numbers is unlikely to move higher like what IT stocks did. The general mood point at the beginning of the week was that buy stocks ahead of the numbers. The kind of move what we've seen in IT, we are likely to see that in bank. But looking at HDFC Bank numbers, I don't think we are in for a bout of short covering. If at all, I think HDFC Bank, which has been a ranked underperformer, that positioning of HDFC Bank is unlikely to change. So if you're holding on to HDFC Bank, I guess you should not sell. If you get a bad day, if the stock falls for 5%, you should add more. But to assume that there is going to be instant gratification and you will make very smart gains by buying HDFC Bank in next 2 or 3 months, I think that really may not be the scenario. Somehow, yesterday everyone started discussing, and I don't know why, that okay, go and buy banks because what you saw in IT, you could see a similar kind of a short covering rally in banks. That's not going to happen. And if at all HDFC Bank now post these numbers, it's unlikely to be that outlier or the outperformer. So I think the wait and watch mode continues for HDFC Bank. Frankly, these numbers do not warrant that kind of an excitement. I mean, they are just not impressive at all. A franchise like HDFC Bank, when the economy is so strong, everybody has come out and cut their EPS growth targets and also the growth targets.